Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Eddie Munson, one of the most iconic characters from the Stranger Things universe, but in a funny retro cartoon style inspired by classic vintage cartoons. Grab your drawing tools, get comfy, and let's bring this chaotic and lovable character to life. Let's start with the wide, expressive eyes, big and open, capturing Eddie's wild and energetic personality. Now draw the curved nose, shaped like a little pepper. Later, we'll color it red to make it pop. Sketch the big open mouth, showing the teeth in a bold and exaggerated cartoon smile. Add the tongue sticking out, large and playful, pushing the expression to the maximum cartoon level. Shape the face curves, very caricatured with rounded cheeks. The hair will naturally cover the ears. Now, draw the hair, giving it a big, messy volume with loose, wavy strands, exaggerated and flowing, capturing Eddie's wild energy in a classic retro cartoon style. If any part feels tricky or too fast, don't worry. Pause the video anytime and take it step by step. Add the bangs. Simple and stylish, they will hide his eyebrows. Let's draw the torso, adding the open denim vest, and underneath it, the classic Hellfire Club t-shirt. Eddie Munson is introduced in Stranger Things Season 4 as the leader of the Hellfire Club. The Hellfire Club is a Dungeons & Dragons group played by Eddie and the kids at Hawkins High School. Eddie is passionate about heavy metal music, especially bands like Metallica and Iron Maiden. His personality mixes chaos, humor, and deep loyalty to his friends. Simplified with a more fun and cartoony version of the logo. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our Vecna cartoon tutorial. Just click the card in the upper corner. And tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see turned into a retro cartoon next? Now, draw the left leg, long and awkward in true rubber hose style, ending in a high-top sneaker inspired by retro cartoons. Eddie quickly became a fan-favorite character worldwide. The character represents the misunderstood outsider of the 1980s. Stranger Things often uses Dungeons & Dragons terms to explain supernatural threats. Add the ripped detail on the pants right at the knee line, keeping it simple and stylized. Draw the right leg equally clumsy and flexible, also ending in a high-top sneaker with another ripped detail at the knee.
Eddie's famous guitar scene became one of the most iconic moments of the series. The show blends horror, friendship, and 80s pop culture references. Eddie challenges stereotypes about nerds and metal fans. His visual style reflects classic rock and metal aesthetics from the 80s. Add the stylish chain hanging on the side of the pants, simplified to match the cartoon look. Now, let's draw the left arm and hand wearing cartoon-style gloves, positioned next to the head with one finger pointing upward. The arm connects to the torso with a smooth rubber hose curve. Now draw the right arm and hand, matching the same glove style and curved cartoon arm, completing the iconic horn gesture pose. Stranger Things monsters are often named after D&D creatures by the kids. Eddie's character arc emphasizes courage and self-sacrifice. The upside down is a dark mirror of the real world, filled with organic textures. Eddie Munson symbolizes freedom, rebellion, and being true to yourself. For colors, use warm skin tones, brown hair, a blue denim vest, black pants, and white sneakers. But remember, feel free to color your Eddie however you like. And here's our Eddie Munson, loud, fun, and full of retro cartoon attitude. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.